Nouns. Nouns are divided into common nouns and proper nouns. The first type is common nouns. Common nouns are words for people, animals, places, or things. Examples of common noun are common nouns for people: artist, teacher, player, woman, etc. Common nouns for animals are zebra, cat, bird, etc. Common nouns for places are city, beach, ground, etc. Common nouns for things are bat, basket, chair, etc. The second type is proper nouns. Proper nouns are names for particular people, places, or things. They always begin with a capital letter. Examples of proper nouns are Azam, Islamabad, Santa Claus, etc. Important points to remember about proper nouns. First, the names of countries and their people are also proper nouns. America, Americans; Pakistan, Pakistanis; India, Indian, etc. Second, the names of towns, cities, buildings and landmarks are proper nouns. Examples: NewYark, Centourus, Statue of Liberty, etc. Third, the days of the week and months of the year are proper nouns. Examples: Friday, Sunday, January, February, etc. Fourth, the names of mountains, seas, rivers and lakes are proper nouns. Examples: Mount Everest, Atlantic Ocean, River Sindh, Lake Rawal, etc. Fifth, the names of festivals, some special events and holidays are proper nouns, too. Examples: Father's Day, Eid-Ul-Fitar, Qaid Azam Day, etc.